Hi, welcome to Ringo-Media. Today I'm going to show you a web page that can save you money on Amazon purchases, any item, not just Firesticks, and you can watch for the best offers and make sure you are getting a good deal. So let's jump into this. So the website we need to go to is called camelcamelcamel.com. I will drop a link into the bio below so you can click on it and go to it directly. It's totally free. You don't even need card details, credit card, debit card, whatever. You don't need them to sign up. Sign up for free. Once you've signed up, you can then just sign in. But let's get this added to your browser. So if you scroll down on the main page, click on browser extensions, and as you can see, you can add that to Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Opera and Apple Safari. So any of them browsers can have this added onto it. I personally use Google Chrome at the moment, so I've got it installed on there. So I've clicked it, installed it, and it's now showing up here in my icons bar, as you can see, the camelizer. Okay, so that's how to get it. So I'm going to log in, and excuse me just while I put my details in. There we go. So I'm going to log in this case with my Google account, so it's just click on it and straight in. As you can see, this gives you some deals, highlighted deals that are going on at the moment that you might be interested in. It shows recently tracked products. This particular one there was the Fire K4 Select that I was tracking, just as an example. You've come down, there's lots of other deals, good deals, great deals, best prices that are going on at the moment. So you can choose daily, weekly, most recent deals, lots and lots of information on there. Okay, so let's see this in action, shall we? So I'm going to switch over to my other screen, which is the Amazon. So I've logged in into my Amazon account. I'm going to look for an item, so let's pick up where you left off. So funnily enough, I've got lots of Firesticks on there. So let's have a look at the 4K Max Firestick. Okay, so at the moment on Amazon it's $69.99, and I've got that page loaded. We'll click on the camelizer. It will just take a second or two just to load up. There we go, and that now shows the history of that particular device. Just check up the top here, make sure it is the right one you're looking for. And as you can see, historically it's been right up here, and also comes down, and the lowest it's ever been in recent history is over the last month or two, end of 2025. So down here you can see the seller being Amazon. Lowest price this has ever been is $39.99, and the date when that first happened. Then the highest price, $69.99, so £70, and that was first on May the 30th, 25. It's currently at that price, $69.99. So you can track to what price it is. So if it was on offer now for, let's say, £50, yes, it's a good deal, but it has been and quite possibly will be cheaper again. What you can also do is in here type in an amount so that it goes down. You can put in sort of 20, click on 20%, so that it'll watch and warn you once it's down to £55.99, or you can put in an amount. So let's say £45, and then click on Save Price Watches. That'll add it to your account and keep you updated as to when it's on offer at that price or below. Okay, so as I said, this works on any item within Amazon to Amazon Prime. Okay, let's click on these dog toy balls for our Ringo that we buy from time to time. So we'll open that up. There we go. That's now loaded. Tells me when I last purchased it. But if I click on the camelizer, it will do its validations, check on the prices, so it can just take a second or two. And there we go. As you can see on this one, Amazon price, the lowest £4.32 back in April 27. The highest price, December 22, was £11.99. So it's quite a variation, and it's currently at £8.39. So, you know, just over the halfway mark at the moment. But there are third parties that have been selling it and do sell them. They class them as used. It could be damaged packaging, things like that. But they're third party sellers selling it via Amazon themselves. So if you look at this new one that it's listed as £11.34 currently, I'm not going to pay that. If I'm going to get one now, or two in this case, the balls that come as a pair, I'm going to get £8.39. Again, you can watch it as to your watch list, so if you don't need it urgently, it's something you want in the future, you can add it there and it will tell you when the best price to get it at. Hopefully that will save you some money and get the best deals you can off Amazon for items that are on your wish list. Thank you very much for watching Ringo-Media. Don't forget, give us a like, click on subscribe, and help me build the channel so I can bring you more tips and hints like this, not just on Firesticks, although that is mainly it. We'll bring you tips like this as well. Have a good day until the next one. Bye.